Hey guys, just picked up this KYY HDMI portable monitor for my laptop. Super excited about this. I travel a lot for work and it's very difficult to go from multiple screens at home to a single screen in a hotel room. It's pretty lightweight, fits in my bag perfectly. It's 15.6 inches wide. It is a 1920 by 1080 on the resolution. It's got a 1000:1 contrast ratio. It has built-in speakers and a headphone jack as well. It comes with everything that is needed. I'll show you what's inside the box here if you open it up. So on the left here is a power adapter, which I don't need for my setup, but some folks potentially would need it. Here's the display itself. It's got a magnetic case that surrounds it, which I'll show you here in a moment, and an instruction manual, and then there's cables that come with it. So it has a Thunderbolt cable, there's an HDMI cable, and a USB-C cable. I'll show you each of these here unwrapped. So here they are. I only, for my installation, needed that cable here. It looks like a USB-C to USB-C cable, but it is a Thunderbolt cable. This one is a HDMI cable to USB, and this one is a USB to a USB-C cable. Here is the display itself in the case. Underneath here is a bit of a quick start guide. Shows you how to use the case and how to fold it, the smart cover, so that you can use it as a stand. And then on the back side it shows you how to connect to Android devices, iOS devices. There's HDMI setup here, as well as just a USB-C device setup. So I'm here in an Airbnb that we rented off the beach, and this looks like the perfect spot to set up and work here. So I'm going to bring out the displays. You can see it fits in my Timbuktu laptop bag right next to my laptop itself. So just pull this out, and I'll pull out the laptop here as well. Easiest way I found to do this is to set this in the second groove and then fold over the top flap like this, and then you can take the back flap and prop it up against the screen itself like this. And then once you've got it set, you can kind of adjust the back to the angle that you want, and you'll end up with something kind of like this. Okay, so we've got the laptop powered up, and we've got the display here on the left. And so what you need is a cable here. Now this is not a normal cable. This is a Thunderbolt 4 cable. I forgot the cable that came with it, which is this one here, at home. So I had to go to the Apple store and buy this cable here. It was about 29 bucks. I'll put a link to this in case anybody misplaces their cable, but it's not the standard USB-C cable, even though it looks like it. It is a Thunderbolt cable. And that'll get plugged in right here into my USB-C Thunderbolt port on my laptop, and then we'll plug it into the side here on the display, and you'll see this thing power up here immediately. And you'll notice here at the moment there's no external power to the laptop or the display, and there you go. So now you've got both displays. And just to show you, this is a traditional USB-C cable here, a standard USB-C cable on both sides. I'm going to plug this into both, and just to give you a view of what would happen if you use a standard USB-C cable, and plug it in the same way I just did. It will power on, so you'll see the display KYY, and then it will go immediately into power saving mode. Yeah, it'll say no signal, and then after no signal it pops into a power saving mode.